The results of the Kerala local body elections are out, signalling a possible shift in the state's political dynamics ahead of next year's assembly polls. The Congress-led United Democratic Front, or the UDF, has emerged as the dominant force in the elections across corporations, municipalities and panchayats that went to the polls. The UDF secured victories, reinforcing its organizational strength at the grassroots level. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi welcomed the results, saying the outcome points towards a potential clean sweep for the alliance in the upcoming assembly elections. However, a major highlight of the polls has been the performance of the BJP-led NDA in the state capital. The BJP has ended the left's 45-year rule in the Thiruvananthapuram corporation, emerging as the single largest party with 50 seats. The victory is being seen as particularly significant as Congress leader Shashi Tharoor represents Thiruvananthapuram in the Lok Sabha, underscoring changing political equations in the state's power centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi thanked the people of Kerala for placing their trust in the BJP, stating that the state is disillusioned with both the LDF and the UDF and is seeking an alternative.
We have made very significant strides in our vote share, in our political footprint, in across the state, in many local bodies. We are today in hardcore areas of the LDF and the UDF. BJP and the NDA have made gains, and those gains are not short-term gains; those are permanent gains. And I think this will stand in good stead for the coming assembly election, because this local body election has certainly established one thing, that the left is out of the picture.
Trivandrum corruption, we have done well comparing to the last election. But the problem with CPM didn't well at all. Because heavy anti-incumbency, that corporation was there. And completely CPM. Then generally their policies are nowadays, they are completely supporting centers. Therefore, I think their cadre voted for BJP. Some of the seats. That is why this result came. Trivandrum also we have done well. Only this corporation also we have done well, but comparatively last time. But CPM performance was bad.
Today's municipal corporation election results in Kerala are epoch-making and having a very far-reaching implication. They are epoch-making for Kerala politics and a far-reaching historical indication for the national politics. I can say that in God's own country, Kerala is called God's own country. So God's grace has been bestowed or have started pouring on Bharatiya Janata Party and NDA.